Hey everyone, welcome back to another troubleshooting guide. If you're trying to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10 but keep getting the error code 0xD0000034, don't worry, I have got you covered. This error can happen for multiple reasons like corrupted system files, insufficient disk space, or issues with Windows Update services. In this video, I will walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix this issue and successfully upgrade to Windows 11. All right, let's start with the first method, which is running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Press the Windows plus I to open Settings, navigate to Update and Security, then click on Troubleshoot. Now click on Additional Troubleshooters and select Windows Update. Click on Run the Troubleshooter and let it scan for issues. Once done, restart your PC and try updating to Windows 11 again. If the error persists, move on to the next method. The second method is freeing up disk space. Windows 11 requires at least 34 GB of free space. If your storage is almost full, the upgrade may fail. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Right-click on your C drive and select Properties. Click on Disk Cleanup, check Temporary Files, System Files, and Windows Update Cleanup, then click OK. After that, go to Settings, click on System, then Storage, and enable Storage Sense to automatically remove unnecessary files. Once you have cleared enough space, try upgrading again. If the error still appears, let's move to the third method, which is repairing corrupted system files. Type CMD in the Windows search bar, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following command and press Enter, SFC/scan. This will scan and repair corrupted system files. Once the scan is complete, restart your PC and check if the update works. If the problem persists, run these additional commands one by one. First, run the command dism/online/cleanupimage/check health. Next, run the command dism/online/cleanupimage/scan health. And lastly, dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Let these commands complete, then restart your computer and try the Windows 11 upgrade again. If that didn't work, let's try resetting Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as an administrator again and type these commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. First, run the command netstop w a user v. Next, run the command netstop crypt svc. Then you can run the command netstop bits. And lastly, also run the command netstop msi server. Now rename the update cache folders by typing renec swes windows software distribution.old. And also renc/windows/system32/catroot2catroot2.old. Then restart the services by typing netstart w a user v. And again, run the command netstart crypt svc. Then you can run net start bits. And lastly, run net start MSI server. Once done, close command prompt, restart your PC and check if the upgrade works. If you're still facing the issue, the last method is manually installing Windows 11. Go to Microsoft's official website and download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Run the tool and follow the on-screen instructions to upgrade manually. If you still see the error, try creating a Windows 11 bootable USB using Rufus and performing an in-place upgrade. And that's it. One of these methods should have fixed the 0xD0000034 error during the Windows 11 upgrade. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.